case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1988, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Morrison v. Olson, which centered around the constitutionality of the Ethics in Government Act of 1978. This act allowed for the appointment of an independent counsel to investigate and prosecute high-ranking government officials for federal criminal law violations and required the Attorney General to conduct a preliminary investigation before reporting to the Special Division Court for counsel appointment. The main issue debated in the case was whether the act interfered with the president's executive power. The lawsuit came about after the House Judiciary Committee accused Olson, Schmoltz, and Dinkins of obstructing an investigation related to the Superfund law. The Supreme Court was then tasked with determining whether Morrison had the authority to investigate this alleged conspiracy and if the Independent Counsel Act was constitutional. In a lower court ruling, it was determined that the act was unconstitutional as it weakened the presidency and disrupted the Constitution's balance of powers. The president, the lower court argued, must have full control over investigations and prosecutions to maintain proper accountability to the people. However, upon appeal, the Supreme Court reversed the lower court's decision. The court held that the Independent Counsel Act was in fact constitutional, as it did not violate the Constitution's Appointments Clause or Article 3, nor did it impede the president's authority. The court reasoned that the independent counsel was an inferior officer with limited jurisdiction and tenure, and thus the act did not excessively interfere with executive authority or disrupt the balance between the branches of government. This landmark decision upheld the constitutionality of the Ethics in Government Act of 1978, enabling the continued use of independent counsels in investigations relating to high-ranking government officials.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.